Hello, students. How are you? Hope you are all doing good. Welcome back to the fifth unit Disasters. What is disaster? Disaster means an unexpected event such as a very bad accident, a flood, or a fire that kills a lot of people or causes a lot of damage. See this picture? A particular area is affected by severe flood. So, all the people are on the rooftops of their houses. A rescue team is trying to help them with the help of a helicopter to take them to safe place. Let us turn to reading of this unit, a havoc of flood. All of you open your textbooks and look at the lesson while I am reading. A havoc of flood. First para. Kurnool, a district with rock soil in Andhra Pradesh in the Krishna River basin, is known as the land of rocky temples in Rayalaseema region. The headquarters of the district with the namesake is a city with a population of 5 lakhs. Thousands of tourists from various parts of the state travel through the city on their way to tourist spots. The people of the city welcome the tourists in a warm mood. This is a part of their daily routine. Every morning is colorful for them. Here in this passage, the Kurnool city is the district headquarters of the Kurnool district, located in Rayalaseema region of Andhra Pradesh state in the Krishna River basin. Kurnool is known as the land of rocky temples, as the soil of this region is rock soil. Kurnool city has the population of 5 lakhs. Thousands of tourists from different parts of the state are traveling through this city to different tourist places. So, every day, the people of this city are welcoming the tourists in a happy mood. Every day, they welcome the tourists as it is the part of their daily life. Every morning is a happy morning to the people of Kurnool city. Next para. But on 28th of September 2009, no tourist visited the city from any part of the state. No bus entered the city from any distant village or town. Something terrible happened which stopped the visitors. In this passage, as their life is going on happily, on 28th of September 2009, no tourist visited the Kurnool city from any part of the state. No bus entered the Kurnool city from any other villages or towns because of a severe bad situation. No one visited the Kurnool city on that day. Next para. On 27th September 2009, the city had a heavy rainfall. As the people had to spend a damp, cold and cloudy day, they finished their business in the evening and reached their dwelling places at early hours, hoping a bright morning the next day. They had scarcely arrived at their destinations when the rain poured down. Its pouring continued throughout the night. Here in this passage, in the Kurnool city, there was a heavy rainfall on 27th September 2009. Because of this heavy rainfall, cold and cloudy condition, the people closed their shops in the evening and went to their houses thinking that tomorrow there will be no rain so that happily they can do their business. When they reached their houses in the evening, a heavy rain started and continued throughout the night. Next para. As a result, on 20th September 2009, the people of Kurnool had to welcome river waters in gloomy colors to their streets instead of the buses full of tourists. They were got up from their sleep by roaring floods, inundating their houses as well as shattering their hopes of getting a bright and colorful morning. Here in this passage, every day morning, the people of Kurnool city welcome the buses with full of tourists. But because of heavy rainfall on 28th September 2009, they welcomed dark color river water into their streets, means flood water entered into their streets and houses. When they got up from their sleep, there was a full of flood water in their houses. So, all their hopes of getting a bright and colorful morning were smashed. Next para. At 10 a.m., the Central Water Commission forecast that the inflows to the Srisailam Dam would go up to an enormous level of 20 lakh cusecs of water, the highest in its history, posing a threat to the villages on the banks of the Krishna River. By the noon of the day, people bore the brunt of the flood fury as the flood water reached the first story of several buildings. The Srisailam right bank powerhouse submerged. There were heart-rending scenes of people frantically seeking assistance to rescue them. The people had never experienced before such a trauma and loss of property. In this passage, at 10 o'clock in the morning, the Central Water Commission announced that the water level in the Srisailam Dam would increase up to very high level of 20 lakhs cusecs. It is the highest water level in the history of Srisailam Dam. So, the people of the villages on the bank of the Krishna River were frightened. From the afternoon of the day, the people suffered a lot as the flood water reached the first floor of the many buildings. The Srisailam Right Bank hydroelectricity house also was under the flood water. There, the condition of the people was very sorrowful. They had never experienced this type of damage and loss of property. Homework. Dear students, in page number 52 of your English textbook, vocabulary part, Roman number 1, some words are given. So, write and read synonyms of the words given in that exercise. And in Roman number 2 of the same vocabulary, some phrasal verbs are given. So, write meaningful sentences for those phrasal verbs given in Roman number 2.